case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
An intense legal drama unfolded in the United States Supreme Court in 1978, in the case of Bordenkircher v. Hayes, revolving around the controversy of prosecutorial discretion in plea bargaining. This critical constitutional issue came to light when a prosecutor threatened Paul Lewis Hayes, the defendant, with more serious charges if he did not accept a plea deal. The case incites questions about due process rights, prosecutorial vindictiveness, and the foundation of plea bargaining itself. Hayes was initially charged with uttering a forged instrument, a minor felony. When he decided to exercise his right not to plead guilty, the prosecution escalated the charges against him. Leveraging Hayes's past felony convictions, the prosecutor sought an indictment under the Kentucky Habitual Criminal Act, a charge that could lead to a mandatory life sentence. This severe reaction to Hayes's refusal led to legal unrest, culminating in a lawsuit against the prosecutor for a potential violation of the Due Process Clause of the 14th Amendment. The district court initially ruled against Hayes, leading to an appeal to the Court of Appeals. The Court of Appeals reversed the district court's judgment, holding that the prosecutor's behavior was not just aggressive, but vindictive, crossing the legal line and violating due process. Based on this ruling, the court ordered Hayes to be discharged from all charges except the original minor felony. However, in a significant turn of events, the Supreme Court overturned the Court of Appeals ruling. By appeal of the prosecutor, the Supreme Court examined the case and delivered a different interpretation. They recognized the inherent risks of plea bargaining, which includes the prospect of harsher punishment. According to the Supreme Court, the prosecuted hadn't violated the 14th Amendment's Due Process Clause. While the Supreme Court acknowledged the necessity of caution against prosecutorial vindictiveness, it also emphasized the pivotal role of plea bargaining in American jurisprudence. They argued that impeding prosecutors from acting forthrightly could lead to unhealthy subterfuge and threaten the integrity of the plea bargaining practice. Hence, the Supreme Court reinstated the original charges against Hayes and normalized the latitude of prosecutors during plea negotiations.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.